Here are 2 super easy ways to poach eggs you'll love, even if you're a beginner. Our first method to poach an egg is super easy, it's a classic, and we'll start by cracking an egg in a small bowl. Next, I'm using a 2.5 quart saucepan with 8 cups of water. We'll bring this to a low simmer, which is around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or to 82 degrees Celsius. All we have in the pan is water. We want to swirl the water, but not too fast. Now we'll gently add the egg to the water. We'll let it cook 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, this egg has been cooking for just over 3 minutes. Let's check it out. I think it needs a little bit more cooking. So I'm going to place it gently back in the water. We'll let it cook. Now it's cooked about 4 minutes. Let's see what we have. That feels just about right. So I'm going to dab it off with a paper towel. Set it here to drain for just a bit and we'll check it. Don't do what I just did and put it on a paper towel. It's really hard to get an egg off of a paper towel. I managed to get it off the paper towel and onto the plate. Alright, let's check it out. The yolk is soft and the white of the egg is cooked. To garnish the egg, I added pepper and just a bit of parsley. This egg held its shape really well. We didn't get a lot of those stringy strings. It turned out beautifully. Tastes delicious. On our second method, we'll add 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and once again we'll bring our water to a simmer. Now we'll swirl our water. Let it slow down just a bit, and we'll add our egg. It's been just over 3 minutes. Let's check our egg. That's not quite done. I'm going to put it back in for a bit longer. I've let this egg cook another 45 seconds or so. Let's check it. Oh yeah, that's just what we're looking for. I'm going to dab it off with a paper towel. There we go. And see if I can get it on this plate. Yes. That's beautiful. That's the way I like them. That is delicious. Check out this video next. Cheers.